Chase, what happened to you today?
My head fell down.
Your head fell down. How did that happen?
At the training room.
At the training room, what happened?
It hurt my head.
What hurt your head?
On the bike.
On the bike? What were you doing?
I was ripping down in my eye.
Oh, goodness, and what did you have to do?
Go to Dr. Bell's.
You had to go to Dr. Bales?
Yeah.
And what happened?
Gave me stitches.
He gave you stitches. How many?
A lot.
A lot. 8 of them. Yeah. Can Mommy see? Say, oh, goodness. Were you a big boy? Chase Rose, were you
Cry.
You did cry, but you know what? Mommy cried too. Hey, fruit roll up?
Yeah.
Yeah. You doing better?
No.
No. Why not?
Because it's hurting.
It does. Make a sad face. Let me see sad. Look at Mommy and do sad face. Look at Mommy, do sad face.